Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Philip No explaining prove the identity cos raised power 4 theta is equals to 1 over 8 cos 4 theta plus a half cos 2 theta plus 3 over 8. Solution. Cos theta, have to remember this, that cos theta is given by e raised power I theta plus e raised power negative I theta over 2. So cos 4 raised power 4 theta, it means we take this, it is it is cos theta times cos theta times cos theta times cos theta, meaning we take this, we multiply by this, we multiply by this, we multiply by this to get cos raised power 4 theta. Let's start. So we have said that cos theta is given by this. We take this one, e raised power I theta plus e raised power negative I theta over 2. We multiply by another one, e raised power I theta plus e raised power negative I theta, the whole of this over 2. Okay, this becomes what? E raised power I theta times e raised power I theta. The law of inverse, you apply it here. Since it's having the same basis, e times e, it will just become e. Right there, this one times this one, it's e raised power I theta. If it's multiplication, we have carried out multiplication this times this. Right there, so we just take this power, we add this one because it's multiplication. Right there, plus I theta. We continue. We take this, multiply by this. Right there, plus e the power I theta plus minus I theta, it becomes minus I theta. Are we there? Plus this one now times this one, it's e raised power negative I theta plus I theta. This one, are we there? Plus this one times this one. It is e, okay, raised power negative I theta plus minus I theta, it becomes minus I theta. Remember, negative times a positive is a negative. The whole of this we divide by what? 2 times 2, it is 4. Okay, so we simplify. This one becomes what? I theta plus I theta, it's e raised power 2I theta plus I theta minus I theta, it is 0. Are we there? Plus e negative I theta plus I theta, it is 0. Plus this one now, negative I theta minus I theta, it is e raised power negative 2 I theta. The whole of this we divide by 4. This is equals to what? Remember, this is equals to cos square theta. This is cos square theta. So this is e raised power 2 I theta. Any number raised power 0 is 1. So here e raised power 0 is 1. So plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Plus e raised power negative 2 I theta over 4. This is equals to what? This is equals to e raised power 2 I theta plus e raised power negative 2 I theta, this one, plus 1 is 2 over 4. So I'm saying that this one is cos square theta. Now we want cos power 4 theta. So I say therefore cos 4 raised to power 4 theta is equals to cos square theta times cos square theta. And cos square theta is this one. Cos square theta is this one. So we take e raised to power 2 I theta plus e raised to power negative 2 I theta plus 2 over 4. You multiply by itself. E raised to power 2 I theta plus e raised to power negative 2 I theta plus 2 over 4. Are we there? So we do the multiplication. This time this, it is e. We follow the same procedure as we have done it here. So this time this, we just write e, then 2i theta. Since multiplication, we add the powers 2i theta with the same basis. Are we there? Plus, this time this one, it is e 2i theta plus minus, it is negative. Are we there? 2i theta. Okay, this time this, it is plus 2. This time this is 2 e 2i theta. We move to this one. This time this one is plus e negative 2i theta plus 2i theta. Hope you understand. Then this time this one is plus e negative 2i theta plus minus. Remember it's a multiplication, so the power will be minus here. Plus minus. This time this, it's e. We write this power here. Then we add negative 2i theta. It becomes negative 2i theta. Hope you understand what I'm saying. Positive times negatives are negative. This is a negative. Okay. Then this one now times this one, we get plus 2 e raised to power negative 2i theta. We move to this one. Now we multiply this by each term, with each term in this bracket on the numerator part. Are we there? So this time this, you get 2 e 2i theta. This time this plus 2 e raised to power 2 negative 2i theta. This time this, we get what? We get 4. Then we divide by what? The whole of this we divide by 4 times 4, which is what? 16. Okay. So after that, what do? We simplify. We say that this one, it becomes what? 2i theta plus 2i theta is what? 4i theta plus e. This is 0 plus 2e 2i theta plus e. This is 0 plus e negative 4 I theta plus this one is 2e negative 2i theta plus this one 2e 2i theta here plus 2e negative 2i theta plus 4. The whole of this we divide by 16. So after that, we collect like terms. Are we there? So we have e raised to power 4i theta. We have another one with this, like this one. I mean with the same arrangement. Are we there? With the same arrangement. You have here 4, you have here negative 4. E raised to power 4 I theta, e raised to power negative 4 I theta. They are of the same arrangement. Are we there? So we take this, we put together with that one. So it's e raised to power negative 4 I theta. We are done with this one. We are done with this one. Then let's move to 2 e raised to power 2 I theta. This one, it has the same arrangement with this one, and this one. So it is, we are done with this one. Okay, So we add this one, 2e raised to power 2I theta. We're done with this one. Then plus this one plus 2e negative 2I theta, this one. So we add this one again, 2e raised to power 2I negative 2I theta, this one. Then after that we add e raised to power 0, e raised to power 0, this one, plus e raised to power 0, now plus 4. Plus 4, the whole of this we divide by 16. Are we there? Let's now simplify. So e raised to power 4, it becomes e raised to power 4I theta plus e raised to power negative 4I theta. This and this are the same, so it becomes what? 2 raised to power 2I theta plus 2e raised to power 2I theta, it becomes 4e 2I theta. Are we there? Then this and this also becomes 4, are we there? E raised to power negative 2I theta plus e raised to power 0 is 1. This equals to 1. This equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 4, it becomes 6. Are we there? The whole of this we divide by what? We divide by 16. We divide by 16. Okay. So at this point we can split. I can split this. Remember, we're looking. We want to express all these things in terms of cos theta. Are we there? So we can split because this and this are having same arrangement. We put it under one bracket. This one the same arrangement under the other bracket. This one and the same arrangement. The same bracket or under one bracket. So we have e raised to power 4I theta plus e raised to power negative 4I theta over 16. Okay, are we there? Plus 4. In fact, this we can factor out this because you have common here. 4 is a common factor here, and say into e 2I theta plus e negative 2I theta over 16 plus 6 over 16. Are we there? Now this one can be expressed as 1 over 8 e raised to power 4I theta plus e raised to power negative 4I theta over 2. You can see that if we take these 2, we multiply by this, becomes 16. Are you there? Hope you understand what I'm doing here. Plus e raised to power 2I theta plus e raised to power negative 2I theta over 2. Then it is 4 over 8. This 4, then 8 times this becomes 16 plus 6 over 16. Are we there? So you can see that at this point we know that cos theta is given by e raised to power I theta plus e raised to power negative I theta, the whole of this over 2. And we have here e raised to power 4 e raised to power 4I theta plus e raised to power negative 4I theta over 2. So the only difference is this 4. This is cos theta. This cos theta. But now because of this 4, it will be cos 4 theta. The whole of this will be cos 4 theta. Cos raised to power 4. Cos 4, sorry, is cos 4 theta. The whole of this will be cos 4 theta plus this one is cos theta this one, the whole of this cos theta, then plus is cos 2 theta because of this 2, sorry, it's cos 2 theta because of this 2 here, cos 2 theta plus here 2, 3, 2, 8. So you have plus 3 over 8. Here you have 4 here 1, 4 here 2. So it is a half here. Then here is 1 over 8. And now we have, this is the proof. You can compare 1 over 8 cos 4 theta, half 2 cos 2 theta, 3 over 8, you can see. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.